Microwave corn on the cob. I'm telling you, you guys got to try this. 4 minutes per cob. Just if it'll fit in the microwave without trimming it, you're good. Just leave it in the husk. It's going to steam in that husk, and you won't even have to shuck it. Watch this. So 4 minutes on high, and I'll be back. This is for a 1,000-watt microwave too, so 4 minutes should be good in pretty much any of them. And if you do more than one cob, supposedly 4 minutes a piece. Alright, get your butter melted ready. You can let it rest for like a minute after it's done. Then you're going to take this in and cut about, I don't know, you're going to get into about an inch into it. Just like that. And then you're just going to squeeze it right on out of there. Bam. Fresh corn on the cob. Trust me, it's really good. Make yourself some. Just as good as boiling it or anything else. Probably more nutrients left in it. Alright, thanks for watching.